Good afternoon, good rise, and good evening. Been getting a lot of requests for a new pallet video, so what I did is just created an ebook. It's $50 to purchase, Bitcoin and Cash App only, and it includes everything from A to Z. Where to find the pallets, where to locate them, where to sell the pallets in this ebook. Everything's included, so get your copy. Purchase it, like I said, from the link below, or you can get it from me directly. And enjoy. Much success to you. Peace to the guys.
Here's the ebook, complete ebook. You can stop it in each section, or you can just get it from me directly. Get your ebook. Got many other tutorials as well. Get your ebook. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. There's a lot of resources for ebooks. Learn how to get those pallets. Don't waste your time. Pallets not waiting for you. Pallet business. Simple Google. Single man pallet machine. Make 300-400 pallets in 8 hours. There you go. They even got a pallet machine. Make your own pallets. I think I'll say that. Might buy that machine. Average 300 to 400 pallets per 8-hour shift or more. One-man operation. Dependent on operator speed. Let's see how it works. Financing available. For you guys who don't want to build your own pallets, buy the $50 course. Learn how to find, locate, and sell your pallets. One-man machine right here. Wow, pretty simple too. What you can do with the power of God in you. The power of God in you will lead you to all directions where you want to go, good or bad. It's dependent upon what you want to do. Believe in yourself, that's believing in the God in you. Very simple pallet machine. Financing available. Pallet 3. Quick video, let you know. You can get the Pallet Ebook. And I look forward to hearing from you. Like, subscribe, and share.